you're a professional cleaner and you clean in a team, then you probably already know that the goal is for everyone on the team to finish cleaning at the exact same time. So you have some decisions to make when you're putting together your team, like where you will all start so you can finish cleaning together. When the bathroom person finishes their job, they will need to know what to do next, and same for the kitchen person. Here's how you make these decisions. You first have to figure out what the longest job is. This is also going to be the job that no one else can help with. So oftentimes that longest job is going to be vacuuming. Now the timing is important because this longest single person job needs to be done when the rest of the team is finished. This chart on the top of the page here shows wasted time by starting the longest job, which in this case is the vacuuming, at the wrong time. Here, the bathroom person ended up vacuuming while the other two team members waited around at the end. If instead the duster had dusted for only 10 minutes, then started the vacuuming and then finished dusting when the bathroom cleaner had finished and could take over the vacuuming, then the whole team would have finished at the same time. This also means that each person finished cleaning 18 minutes faster, which is almost a full hour of cleaning time saved, leaving you more time for movies, napping, and going to the beach.